which week we and which week done.
Never was square that a long time.
It is a conundrum, all you have one.
All right then. Go on.
All right, so you would have heard the story a million times over that apparently the great and outstanding Duke and Duchess of Sussex, they have decided to remove themselves from senior royal duties. I'm not even certain what that means, but apparently they didn't tell anybody in the family about it. And then when they did tell the Queen kind of said, well, don't make any announcement yet. And the great Prince Harry just made the announcement. So everybody's a little up in arms. I was reading Piers Morgan.
Everybody.
Yeah, I was reading Piers Morgan. Them say Meghan come mash up the relationship between Harry and his brother. Then mash up the relationship now totally with...
That's Piers Morgan.
No, him said, no, that's not what he said. Him said mash up the relationship with she and her father. Then she mash up the relationship with the two brothers. Now she mash up the monarchy. So the great Meghan...
How has she done that? I mean...
the great Meghan come in and just mash up everything.
Do you know that Prince Harry is like 6th in line to the throne?
Me love Prince Harry.
6th.
Me love Prince Harry.
So there is no fallout that can happen from this, outside of the optics, obviously. But I think it's fantastic. I see people, saying, his mother would be so disappointed. Diana, really? Who pretty much lost her life because of what she had to go through with paparazzi and all sorts of invasion. And when they spoke to Harry a couple months ago, he said he had to make the best decision for his family because he has a family to protect. He knows what it's like to lose someone to this kind of media frenzy and so on. They interviewed Meghan the other day and the sadness in her eyes. I don't know if you saw that interview. When she said it was so rough. So obviously they've made a conscious decision that they don't want that to be their lives. And I give them kudos for that.
Yeah, Queen beautiful though. I love the Queen.
Yeah, man.
She's a beautiful woman.
As is Meghan.
Yeah, she's a beautiful. Yeah.
I really wish these two the best.
So apparently, what is the wax place in here, Madame Tussauds? Apparently they removed them from the family.
Have they?
Yeah, see them?
Oh, yeah.
They removed them from the family.
Oh, yeah. Well, so it goes.
I don't know.
They leave.
So where is the father? Or Prince Charles and all that?
I'm not sure. I'm probably over into the writer frame. Anyway, the suspicion is that they moved to Canada. Yeah. They say they will spend most of their time between the UK and North America. They spent Christmas in Canada apparently with Archie, who's their son. Yeah. Maybe the US is not the best place for them to go right now. Yeah. No.
Well, dear Duke and Duchess, I am inviting you not only to Jamaica but to Smile Jamaica to tell us what I want.
Really? Are you?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, I tell you, I want to meet the great Harry, I was close enough to him the last time I was here. I didn't meet him.
So what happened?
But I like Harry. I think Harry about his own mind.
That's what I love.
Yeah.
An independent mind.
Yeah, I like Harry. But them says Meghan mash up everything.
Well, them say Meghan come to the what name? The castle.
Yeah,
Buckingham Palace and said to Harry, you got to get out your grandma's house. Yeah. You get to go get a job.
Yeah, man, look at work, which is good. Anyway, I love them. Yeah. Did you see this video with this youngster walking?
I couldn't really look at it because it scared me, but apparently I'm going to look at it.
Look at this. This little youngster just come out of her apartment. It's her, right?
Mm-hmm. So good.
No, look at that. And just walk on the ledge. Where she going, nobody knows. How she was allowed, look at that. How she was allowed to go out there, nobody knows.
Good luck. She's 4 stories up, guys. Where is this is frightening to watch. She walked back in on them. Look. Let me just go back inside. Her mother was apparently in the bathroom.
Her mother in the bathroom. She's skillful.
But you know what that tells you about this young person is that she has a future in either parkour or gymnastics
It's in Tenerife.
Jeez, I'm crying. The angel, she had angels on her shoulder for sure.
But I'm trying to think of what kind of thought process. She just decides,
it's a kid, and she looks outside.
Yeah, but why,
she says, oh, so excited, I'm going out there. She climbs on the ledge. She realizes she can walk one way, she does it again.
Come back the next one.
Good.
What is this last one now about Tom Hanks' son? Apparently he's speaking patois. His name is Chet Hanks. We have it? We have it?
Was it at the Globes and the Golden Globes? I think this is where this video went viral. They spoke to him on the red carpet, and his
Do we have it?
utterance was so.
We can play it.
Yo, big up the youth them way out of Kingston. Me wake up this morning and me see the thing turn up. Internet gone mad. Respect, you don't know. Me soon forward a yard. Booyaka, booyaka. Big up the whole island massive. It's your boy Chatana coming straight from the Golden Globes, you want saying? Me see me father Tom Hanks presenting in a what soon forward come. Big up, tune in.
Apparently, he's been in love with Jamaica for a while. So.
In love with Jamaica, or you have a Jamaican girlfriend, a
Bridget, in love with the culture and so on. So it's not a new thing, it's just getting a lot more attention now. I think it's great. Chet, big up yourself. And if you do come a yard, you can booyaka right here and smile. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes.
What is
you know, you never see him.
Yeah, but why are you doing it?
Emphatic.
What it does?
It emphasizes, just the attitude and, vibe and just, yeah.
Oh.